How do you get your qi flowing? The basic instruction for you to influence your qi from within is to use your mind to move the qi. You've heard it many times in the Tai Chi Classics. Move your qi with your mind. What does that really mean, though? It really means two things. First, you must make use of your awareness, your will and intent. Here, your mind has a specific outcome of what you want to happen. So you gently focus your will and intent like a laser to accomplish your goal, and you do so without tension. Begin by simply having the will to do something. Second, use your heart-mind. The Chinese believe that the heart-mind is the center of consciousness in your body. It is located in the center of your chest, just right next to your physical heart. The emotional feelings of the heart and your rational, intellectual thoughts are working together here to give you wisdom. You are not just your emotions, and you're not just a computer in your brain. The heart-mind is always there guiding you by bringing your heart and your brain together, even before your will to do something arises. So it is not goal-oriented. The heart-mind gives your will the conviction to function well. The heart-mind provides balance and a broad vision, while your intent enables you to achieve your focused goals. The heart-mind allows you to see the forest, whereas the intent and your will is there to make you zone in on a single tree or a group of trees. And the heart-mind provides you with inner peace, emotional balance, and intuition, affirming that you're headed in the right direction. So while the intent can make you relax your physical muscles, you need the heart-mind to relax and release deeper emotional or spiritual tensions found further below the surface. So how do you move your qi? It starts with your central nervous system. You already know to put your awareness into your muscles. Then you learn to put your awareness into your nerves. Relax and release your nerves. This enables you to recognize the constant tension that runs through your entire nervous system. And you're usually not aware of this tension because it has become so normal in your daily life. The tension hardens into your body. Now your awareness is going to focus on ways to soften the tension inside you. So together with your heart-mind, the intent is there to progressively help you to release and relax the tension in your body from your nerves. The more you feel relaxed, you then want to release blocked qi inside all of your body's tissues. One by one, you want to release the tension in your joints, you want to release the tension in the blood flow, the spinal system, and most importantly, you want to release tension from your internal organs. You want to free yourself from being overwhelmed all the time, because when you feel that way and you become overloaded, that causes you to be numb inside. And this numbness turns into blocked qi or blocked energy. So with each stage of releasing, you make your body more aware and your body becomes fully alive. It's important to recognize that you need to start releasing any stagnant qi within your body. So when you feel tired, when you feel angry and something is festering and you just can't move on, you're so attached to it, then you know it's time to move the energy and get beyond that feeling. So this involves the dissolving, releasing, and resolving all blockages of the physical, emotional, and spiritual sides of yourself. So by doing that, this is an essential component of the Tai Chi practice. So healing occurs through remobilizing your energy flow. So let's keep this moving and do some Tai Chi. Alright, so the first step of developing your qi is to get your awareness to stay stabilized in your lower dantian. When this happens, your will and intent is focused on the center, the core of your body, inside your belly. And when you do this, you start to get special feelings. You start to feel maybe a sense of heat in the area. Maybe you start to feel some electrical rumblings that are happening, or maybe you feel a tingling sensation that's happening there as well. The second step is to feel your qi rise up the spine to the top of your head. Yeah, relax, exhale, and have the energy rise up the spine to the top of your head. So now you're feeling the qi moving up and out. Then send your qi to rise above and beyond your physical body, drawing your spine and head further upward. This allows you to feel that you are being suspended from the top. This elongates your spine, gives you comfortable space to move. Then you're going to drop your qi into your lower dantian. So then you feel the sinking down of qi into your center, into your core, as you continue to do these Tai Chi movements. And when this happens, your flow becomes stronger. You feel the rising and falling of qi up and down your body. Then activate every point along the way. So now, as your qi becomes stronger and then you're feeling it more and more, you're feeling the points all along the body as you move up and down the spine. Up the spine and then down into the central front channel of your body. Then, lastly, become aware of more subtle layers in your body. Become more aware that there's qi that flows on the left channel, the left side of your body. There's qi flowing on the right side. There's qi flowing in the center. And relax back down. So what if you can clear the stagnant energy from your body simply by moving the qi through areas of pain, through areas where things don't just feel right? What are the central left and right channels of the body that we've just talked about? So follow me on Facebook and find out.